Hey guys, so then let's learn how to ignore messages on Messenger and iPhone. So to ignore your messages over here, all you need to do is to swipe all the way to the left direction of your phones and click on More. Okay, now it's going to give you an option to block, delete, restrict, or mute. So you could also do this, or rather, you could also long press onto the chat itself and actually see the mute archive and mark as unread or delete the conversation. Now, to ignore the message, you could actually hit on and click on mute to actually mute all of the notifications of this chat. Until I change it, click on that and basically everything will be just basically ignored. Which you could also do is to click on More. Just click on More. So basically let's get on to our archive, or basically just choose another chat. So click on the More option. Let's actually choose this one instead. Click on More and also click on Restrict. And restricting it will actually give it onto the Ignore. So basically ignoring, or rather restricting that specific message, is the new way to ignore messages on Messenger and iPhone. Okay guys, that is how you ignore message. And if you want to UN restrict or UN, just heading over onto this option right here, heading over to your message requests and click on Spam. Basically, you're going to see these options over here. But in the case that you do not see the options that you have restricted or the messages that you are restricted, it could actually head on onto your archive. So basically, if it's not there anywhere, what you could actually do is to search for that specific person. In this case, I'm going to search for that person right now. Of course, by doing that, you're going to have that option to unrestricted that specific person, because when you click on their chat, they should have an option right there to unrestricted that chat. Okay, guys, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.